turn anything into website using prompts that I'm going to use in this particular video. Whatever you have in your hand, for example, photos, Excel files, or even slides, give me your next 10 minutes. You are going to learn how to convert that into a full functioning website that can be accessible through QR code or a URL. Welcome to my channel, guys. My name is Raman, and let's get started. First is about turning Excel file into a full-fledged website. So here I have the sales data. They have a region, country, item type, and units sold, total revenue, and stuff like that. Here what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a sales data dashboard, and to do that you can use any free chatbot out there. Every chatbot now give a attachment as a free option. You can simply go to either gemini.google.com and you have a selection here. You can easily upload that and it will start creating for you. They have also Canvas for free. You can use ChatGPT, you can use Claude, and you can use any chatbot, but we'll be using Windsurf because they have a free plan available which you can also use. They have, for example, the SWE family, and if you scroll down to it, you will find a DeepSeek family is also available for free, so you can use that. What you need to do is you need to create a folder on your system. For example, here I've created a folder which is a website. I have drag and drop to this Windsurf, and here I have put that file here. Why? Because I want the Wind to get the data from the CSV. All you need to do is just type add, and they have a files option, so they can browse all the files within the folder you have opened. All you need to do is select that particular file which is of sales record, and then paste this particular prompt. And let me give you an overview of this prompt. I want you to read and analyze this file and then create a sales dashboard in HTML, Tailwind CSS, download locally. You can also use the Bootstrap, JavaScript, and additional libraries if required. To create a chart, you need an additional libraries, and I am letting that model to search for it and apply that. And next is I want you to analyze each entries, and this is a create a map, create a tables, graphs, filters, etc. Then there is a themes, preferences. Coming to the model here, you can select a free model, and I suggest you to use a thinking model. To use the thinking model, you can use the DeepSeek R1. There I have a paid account. I will be using the Claude 3.7 thinking, and press enter. So let it do the job, and let me come back once it's finished. Okay, so here it is. This looks pretty neat. I would say this my name designation we have already done, and there's a total revenue, total profit, and there you go. Let's see the rest of the section. So the influence section, it also included the interactive map here, as you can see from where our sales are coming from. The map is also very neat because it's added this color grading to revenue from the 0 to the this much. So the most of the revenue is coming from either India or Canada, and the list goes on. So there is the key insights also added, the most profitable region and top selling product. This is also contact us, which will to the your mail client, and there's a download full report which will be direct to that CSV file. So how to do that inside this? All you need to do is click on this deploy. Just click on deploy button. It will start deploying your application. Just wait for it, and there you go. So if you click on the view deployment, they have created the URL inside the Windsurf. So to create a QR code, you can easily select this QR button from the Chrome itself. You can just create the QR button and set it to however you want. It will be open just like this. Now moving forward to the next, which is about the resume. So I have this resume, very experienced resume for Jackson McCart, and we will be using this to create a website. And for that, here's my prompt that I'm going to use. You can copy that from the description box as well. This is something which I've added is create a multiple files if there's an issue of context deadline, which we have occurred in the previous prompt, and that's why I've modified this. So you can see all the three preferences, create section, but also it doesn't have the capability to access the file from the attachment. All we need to do is just search for our resume, drag and drop here. That's it. Here at the starting, I want it to analyze the file. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the files tool, and let's select the tool which is from the PDF, and so let's press enter and wait for the outcome. Okay, so it's just exporting the website, and few things that has happened. It keep on giving me this deadline exceeded error here. I also told that create a multi-step in index HTML to create a part, for example a hero, then feature section, skill section for this resume, and it did the same. So it resolved that error again. So as it's for now it's completed everything. Let's accept that, and now open it in external browser. It will be a placeholder for the image. Interactivity has been added. About me section is here, experience is here, performance simulator is here, work experience. So it's created a nice timeline, like from the August 2020 it has started like this, and then January 2021, 27, and my skills. So it also added the skills, pretty good section. For example, JavaScript, HTML, Node.js, and there were interactive skills to match this test your coding knowledge, match the technology with its correct description. It has added the interactivity which we demanded, and there's my education is this, and at the last it says get in touch. This is from resume to a website. Moving forward to transforming photos to the website, and for this what you have to do is create a folder. For example, here I've created a photos folder. I want to create a website, and inside you need to input your portfolio or any photos you want to include into your photography website. It can be your own portfolio, it can be showcasing your party pictures to friends, colleagues, it can be showing your own wedding or reception pictures to your friends and family. Here I have put the wedding pictures, just random pictures downloaded from the internet, and there's the reception pictures I uploaded here, IDE, which is windsurf. And now here, this is my prompt here. I want a wedding photography website, or use your own favorite stack to present my wedding photos and reception photos to my friends and family. Here is the prompt engineering here. First you said what you want to build, and then the context. Context is I want to present this to my friends and family. And next is all the preferences you want, and then I press it. So let it complete. Okay, so it's done, and let's see how it is. So if I click on the open the preview here, and this is actually pretty good. As you can see here, they have added all the patterns, they have all the animation like a falling flowers, and there's a pattern behind it. And whenever you click something on it, for example, this is the wedding photos, you can click on it, and there's also a click here to watch full album. If you want to include the link to the album, you can also include that. And there is a reception. When I click on it, if I click on it, music starts playing. Anyway, moving forward to the next is creating website from the slides. So here I have a slide which is downloaded from the internet as well, and if I open this 40 something slides about the solar company profile. So we are going to transform this website, but before doing this, all you need to do is transform your PPT here. Okay, if you use a chart based tool like a ChatGPT, it can perform flawlessly, but if you are into agentic coding using IDE or something like that, then you need to transform this other format like HTML, for example. So there's a multiple tools available online which is convert your PPT to HTML for free. You can use that, but what we are going to do is we are going to let the AI do the same. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my codes here, create a new folder, power panel, or you can name anything you want. So I'm going to copy this into that particular folder. So this is the PPTX file, and I will let the AI transform this to its readable format, for example the HTML, and start building our website. So for that, create a new window, drag and drop this particular folder here. So that's it. So we have this particular file, we need to translate into the readable format. I will be guiding that in the prompt. So first I told to this particular file, the first part, you need to input the file toolbox and to HTML or any readable format. Inside the IDE, they can't read PPTX directly, so we need to convert that. And then I want you to create one page website for the company. I've already told them use your favorite stack, and there's a multiple section which I've told the pattern of your prompt engineering. First, the direct command, what you want it to do, then you need to give some context, then you need to give some specification how you want your design should be. Let's press enter. As I've told you, it cannot read PPTX as it says. I need to convert the powerful presentation to readable format first, and as you can see, it will auto run it. So Windows order as I've instructed to do. So create all the dependencies to transform our file into its readable format that AI can actually recognize what the contents are in this. It has created its own extract of pptx.py, which is the tool it is created from the scratch, and now it will run that, and there you go. So it has converted the content into two format, which is txt and there is .js. I believe it has all the information of a company and that readable format, as you can see here. So it's done, and let's see the output. Let's go here. So it's actually very neat and clean here. I have also told in the prompt that it should be one page and navigation from the menu. As you can see, if I click on the services, it will just scroll down to a section. So this is the about section, neat and clean. All the placeholders are from the, I think, Unsplash. There you go. And if I scroll down, this is also the nice little icons and animations are there. And there's our history. So it's a timeline history, as you can see on the left, right, innovation, batteries, and leading the industry here. So our services, click on the get code to get code in the contact section, and there is maintenance. There's a solar panels, so type of solar panels. So there's a panel comparison as well. So this is something which I wanted to add, a solar savings calculator. So if I click on the solar, and it will start creating the calculator, as you can see on the right, with little animations that you can see here. So next is ready to power your home, calculator saving, free consultation, and there is a form. So this is how you can create a landing page, any type of website you want to create using your PowerPoint slides. So this is the way to do that. Next is creating a website using a ebook. For that, I have downloaded this particular ebook, which is about how to sync. Obviously, it's in the EPUB format. Our AI agent doesn't know about it. It has to be in the readable content that we have discussed earlier. So that's what we are going to do. Copying this and creating a new folder with ebook. You can name however you want, just placing that here. And now window here and drag and dropping that ebook just like this. Now open our cascade on the right side. So you can also do the same with any tool you want. Just convert this EPUB into either into text file or HTML file, .js file. These three formats are the ones that AI actually understands. So I'm going to let AI do everything. So here is the prompt. I have told I want you to convert this .epub file into your desired readable format, as it's a ebook. Convert it, analyze it, and read the book and create multiple page websites. Here we have our website ready, because as we have told the AI to create a multi-page website, that's why it created next.js project, as you can see here. So here we have got our finalized and working one. All I need to do is click on external browser here. So there you go. So it has turned our ebook into full-fledged multi-page website. So as you can see here, so different section here, a timeless guide to vocal mastery, start learning now. And if we click on explore techniques, so it has redirected to the techniques page. So, okay, so they have exercises, there's a chapters. It has analyzed various part of the ebook and it has created a whole website based on that. And this is actually pretty great website, I would say, because it has everything that book suggests, and it has also created a tool which is a practice room and major scale, minor scale, breath control, vocal agility, and list goes on. So the whole idea of this video was to turn anything to a website. So there you go, this is how you can do it. So any type of file, you just tell the AI to convert that into the most readable or understandable format, and take that context, create a website, give it a theme, give it a color, give it a font name, give it an icon style, pattern style, background style, any UX patterns or style you want to recommend. You can give it to the AI and it will give back all these results. So if you have liked something about this video, like and comment and share this video to whoever you want. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.